Some of the most fun vehicles to test here at Headlight Revolution are the Jeep Wranglers, because we get to take them off into the trails and stuff, and in this case we did reverse lights on this one. I'm going to show you guys what they looked like on the trail, more importantly how to install them in your Jeep at home, and what they look like compared to the dim reverse lights that you got when you bought this thing. So let's get started. So we've got our Jeep pulled in the shop now, and honestly this is going to be one of the easiest upgrades you do to your Jeep Wrangler. All you got to do is open your rear hatch, open your rear glass, and inside here you're going to see a little access panel on each side, left and right, of the rear of your Jeep. So just reach in here, you can use any flat tool, flat screwdriver, anything like that, and just pop this little cover off, set it off to the side. Now at this point you need a T40 Torx bit. And what you're gonna do is reach inside here, and there's actually a plastic bolt, if you will, that you're gonna loosen up. It comes out just like so, and if you can believe it, this little guy is all that holds your taillight in. Now set that to the side, and from the back of the Jeep here, just pull the taillight toward you. Pops out just like that, and unclip your factory wire harness. Now this little red tab has to be pulled toward you in order to unclip properly. Press in on it and just pull the two sections apart like so. So I've got the taillight out on the table now, and at this point all you need to keep going is a Phillips screwdriver or a Phillips drill. There are 3 screws. And then this whole rear bracket lifts off just like so. Now the bulb we're going to be working with today is the reverse light bulb, and that's this bottom bulb right here. It's a single filament 7440 bulb, and this is the 1000 lumen reverse light bulb from GTR Lighting. And we've got some insane footage to show you guys in just a little bit of this thing backing down a trail, backing up to a trailer, and the difference between the two is just night and day. The cool part about these bulbs is they fit in just like so, pop right in like that, and they're good to go. This plug here just goes to your factory reverse light plug, and everything fits nicely with the bracket over it. Now we bought one of the first Jeep Wrangler JLs to hit our local dealership, and the reason for that is honestly these Fiat Chrysler vehicles that have been coming out have got these crazy CAN bus systems that cause flickering and strobing and warning lights in your dash and stuff like that with some of the cheaper bulbs out there. We wanted to be sure that everything we're selling for you guys is the best, not only in terms of brightness but in functionality. We don't want you driving down the road in a $40,000, $50,000 Jeep and having a little light beeping at you, or even worse, having headlights, fog lights, or reverse lights that are flickering and strobing for you. So with that in mind, everything that we're selling here has been tested and tested heavily. So at this point we can go ahead and put our screws back in. So this video is just covering the reverse lights. We've got a crazy brake light system coming out for this thing that you are going to love, and it should be available real soon. But let's get these reverse lights plugged back in, let's get this thing installed, and let's take this thing out to the trails and see what it looks like compared to the stock bulbs. As you can see, those reverse lights are insane. If you're backing down the trail at night, or honestly, if you're just backing into a parking spot, that is going to help you so much. The backup camera picks up that light, you can see exactly what you're doing, and that's really important. Now, if you need anything else for the front of your Jeep, we've got the brightest headlights on the market today for the Jeep Wrangler. We've got extremely bright fog lights, we've got turn signals. Visit our website, headlightrevolution.com. Be happy to help you guys out.